Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The NSF ANSI Standard 184 says a dishwasher can claim it has a sanitizing cycle if a final extended hot water rinse reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. That means the machine kills 99.999% of bacteria. Even if your dishwasher doesn't get hot enough to sanitize your dishes, the hot water is handy for cleaning.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dishwasher sanitize cycles use hotter water and longer wash times to kill 99.999% of food soil bacteria. They're required by the National Sanitation Foundation to heat water to a minimum of 150 degrees Fahrenheit, although some dishwashers may go above that.
Take our lead.
1 hour. Once up to the ideal temperature, the dishwasher will circulate the hot water throughout the appliance for an extended cycle time, just like the Sanitize feature. You can expect the antibacterial cycle to run for at least 1 hour.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sanitize cycles are harsher on clothes than regular cycles, which is necessary for sanitization, he says. Other commercial laundry sanitizers can also help kill bacteria and germs that regular detergents might leave behind.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sanitizing is another method of removing dirt and killing germs that's often confused with sterilizing. While sterilization gets rid of all germs, sanitizing aims to lower the amount to a safe level. The process of sanitizing can involve both cleaning and disinfecting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.